Alright, this is a drop of water from my sample jar. Going on 2 weeks now. There seemed to be an awful lot of amoeba in here and not much else. And I don't know what species of amoeba they are. I recently got my microscope out of my closet where it's been living for a couple of years now. Looks like I gotta clean some of it off. Got a new camera, Canon T5i, like 18 megapixels, I think, something like that. Takes good video. I'm used to the cameras, Canons. I have a polarizing filter on here right now, and kind of playing with that. The bright spots are, I don't know what they are, some kind of crystals inside of some things glow and some things just don't glow. Haven't quite figured out which is which. The black stuff here is just some kind of this stuff here is kind of floating scum on the surface of the jar, and it's got bugs living in it. Looks like things are just now starting to pop out from a sample in my yard of moss that I put in the jar. So things are just starting to come to life again. I see, you would hardly think some things that move light up and other things don't, like that bug right there moving. He don't light up, but that big round thing does. So I don't know, gonna take some more getting used to.